Finally, let's talk about multi-file Java programs. So in this lecture, we've learned how to work with two Java classes at the same time. One for actual class that represent an actual real-life entity, such as vehicle, account, etc. And then one for a demo class where it does have a main method, and in it we can use that main method to construct new objects of that class and then test to see how they work. So, but what we did so far is that we kept both classes in the same file under one name. So we compiled one time only. However, we can actually use separate files for classes as long as they are in the same directory. So that's actually more common, especially when they are classes and then their demo versions get more complex and long. So note that in this case, we need to compile each file separately. However, we only need to run the class that has the main method. We don't need to run all of them. It's a good idea to create a new directory for each project. So let's see this in the vehicle example. So the latest version of the vehicle class I have here, class vehicle, which has 31 line of code. I also have my latest demo version, which was 5, and this is how we tested. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually separate the vehicle to vehicle demo. So before I do, I will see what I have in my lecture 5 folder. I have nothing but classes, Java classes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new directory, make dir. I'm going to call this vehicle. See, I've got vehicle folder here. You can also see it from here. So it's a new folder. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, my vehicle class, and paste here. And I will save this in the vehicle folder or directory under vehicle.java. Alright, so I'm also gonna take the demo version. I'm going to remove the 5 because it's going to be in a new directory anyway. So save as, same location, vehicle demo. So what you see here is now in my vehicle folder I have vehicle.java and vehicle demo.java. Let's open this in here. Also I can say cd vehicle folder and a list. See, I've got vehicle.java and vehicle demo.java. So now I can close the okay, let's close the others. So it's only focus on this two. So now they will still work. So even though they're not in the same folder, when I call for a new vehicle, since they are in the same directory, I should be able to find this and use it. So the only thing I need to make sure that I need to make this public. So next lecture, we're going to learn more about what public is and what private is. But right now, just to know that if they are in separate files, this needs to be public. Okay, so time to compile. As I said earlier, we need to compile both of them. So I need to say first, also observe it from here. I'm going to say Java C vehicle.java. Looks good. I've got my .class version. Now I need to compile Java C vehicle demo Java. And this one looks good as well. Now I can run vehicle demo.java, but I cannot run vehicle Java itself because it doesn't have a main method. We can try it. So we know we're gonna get an error. Vehicle. Yeah, it does say that error with main method not found in class vehicle. So, but we know that we're gonna get this error anyway. So what we want to do is we're going to run vehicle demo. So it just worked the same way it did before. So bottom line is that we can keep them in separate files as long as they're in the same place or same folder. And since we're going to use the vehicle in vehicle demo, so this needs to have the public access modifier.